Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Today's lesson, inshallah, will be very lovely, and I hope you enjoy it. Time to the hour, analog clock. Okay, lesson 5 from chapter 8, and the date will be 24th of March. Before we start this lesson, let's revise together the previous lessons. Last time we have learned together how to compare objects by its length, by saying is it longer or shorter. Also, we have learned how to compare objects by its lengths, by ordering the objects from longest to shortest, or the opposite from shortest to longest. Today, inshallah, we are going to measure the time. How to measure the time. Okay, when someone come and ask you what time is it, how can you tell him? You have to learn how to use the clock or your watch to tell about the time. Today we have, inshallah, two types of clocks. We have two types of clock. We use these types to measure the time. Okay, we have two types: analog clock and digital clock. Today's lesson only talking about the analog clock. Okay, as you see here, the analog clock has how many hands? It looks like the face or the circle. It has the numbers from 1 to 12, and it has two hands, one of them short and called hour hand, one of them long and called minute hand. This is the analog clock. Analog clock looks like a circle or a face. It has the numbers from 1 to 12. It has two, you have 5 fingers in each hand. She has only it has two hands like you. It has two hands like you, but one short hand for hours and one long hand for minutes. Okay, this is the song of the analog clock. I am a smaller, short and stout. I tell the hour and give a shout. Who is this? This is the hour hand. Is smaller and short. Just tell us about the hour and shout. But the minute hand is saying what? I am a longer, big and tall. I am a longer, big and tall. I tell the minute and that's all. I am longer. Look, as you see here, the hour hand is short. Its color is red, and the minute hand is longer. Its color is blue. Okay. Now we understand what we are going to learn today. We are going to learn how to read and write the time on an analog clock. Okay, how to express the time using the analog clock. As you see here, I have many analog clock. Can you tell me the time? How to ask about the time? How? What time is it? When you want to ask about the time, you ask like that. What time is it? What time is it? At this clock, what time is it? The hour hand is pointing to 4, and the minute hand where? It's at 12. When we are talking about the hours, we are studying today only time to the hours. Okay, the hour only. So the minute hand is standing at 12 all the time. So when it's the hour, the minute hand stand at 12. So you say o'clock, 4 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, whatever, and so on. The next one here, what time is it? It's 5 o'clock. The hour hand standing at 5 and the minute hand at 12. The next one here, 6 o'clock. The hour hand at 6 and the minute hand at 12. So it is 6 o'clock. Then the last one, 7 o'clock. Okay, do you understand until now? I think it's very easy, and I'm sure that you all understand. Open with me the book, page 591. First example here, it is number 5. What time is it here? Do you know? Where's the short hand? The shorthand at 1. The shorthand for hours. What time is it? So it's 1 o'clock. The minute hand is standing at 12, so it's o'clock. 1 o'clock. Next, number 6. Here, what time is it? It's 8 o'clock. Number 7. Then the hour hand is standing at 4, so it's 4 o'clock. Then here, this one just can confuse you. When it's 12 o'clock, the two hands stand together at 12. Okay, when it's 12 o'clock, the hour hand and the minute hand stand together at 12. Number 9, the hour hand at 5. The hour hand is the short hand. Remember, don't forget, the hour hand is the short one. 5 o'clock. Then here, 10 o'clock. Exercise 11, what time is it? It's 7 o'clock. Good job. Exercise 12, what time is it? Good job. It's 3 o'clock. Jump to the next page. Exercise 13, problem solving. Eva gets home at 3 o'clock. Okay, she gets home. She went out. She came home at 3 o'clock. Okay. Her sister or whatever or whoever, Evan gets home 1 hour later. This later means 1 hour after 3. Okay, Eva gets home at 3, and her sister Evan gets after her 1 hour after her. Will be what? What time does Evan get home? What comes after 3? It's 4. So it's 4 o'clock. So easy. Exercise 14, the same here. Roger begins reading books at 7 o'clock. He started to read at 7 o'clock. He reads for 1 hour. He spent 1 hour reading. Only one. So 1 hour after 7 will be 8. Good job. All of you understand it. I know. Okay? And that's our lesson. Is it easy? Yes, it is so easy. So what we have learned today? We have learned today how to express the time using the analog clock. Okay? We have learned that this analog clock has 2 hands. One of them short, one of them long. The short one for hours and the long one for minutes. This is the important thing that I want you to learn today. Okay? Inshallah, our homework will be page number 593 and 594. Thank you.